Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an infographic poster using AI 100% free. So first, just open your ChatGPT. Yeah, in here we will use ChatGPT. And then after that, just tap on create an image. And then in here on explore ideas, just choose these styles. Choose the infographic poster like this. And then in here ChatGPT will automatically generate a prompt for you like this. And if you want, you can still tweak the prompt as you like. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to turn into an infographic, or for example like this. And then after you upload the photo, just click on send prompt. And okay, like this, you will get the results like this. And I think the result, it looks so good. It's really aesthetic infographic poster, and even it has explanations like this. I think it's so good. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.